Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for Watermark Remover. And there will be a lot of websites you can use to remove watermark from your video. But I recommend you this one guys, Online Video Cutter. You need to visit this website like this. And then we're going to upload our video. I'm going to click on open file and wait. I'm going to select this video. For example, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. If we want to remove watermark, we can select the watermark like this guys. Okay. And then now it's done and just click on apply. And the watermark will be removed from your video. As you can see, now my watermark has been removed. And if you want to save the video guys, you can click on save icon right here, and then you can choose the resolution and also the format and click on export, and then hold on. All right, don't forget to click on save, and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful.